Upgrading industrial systems has traditionally involved a costly and disruptive rip and replace approach. This method requires extensive re-engineering and recommissioning, significant downtime, generates needless hardware waste, and involves a high level of cutover risk. However, the SDE evolution approach offers a more sustainable and cost-effective alternative. With SDE evolution, you can perform modular phased upgrades that minimize operational disruption. This method preserves existing control applications along with infrastructures, such as cabinets, cables, and field wiring, significantly reducing downtime and environmental impact by focusing on replacing or upgrading only the components that add direct value, such as controllers and I/O modules. This approach helps reduce power consumption and enhance energy efficiency.